guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a sign that looks like it's made out of wood for Christmas, and the total is well under $5. This is a very easy, inexpensive way to add great decor to your Christmas decor, to your home. So some of the supplies is I have a foam board that I have used other half for a different project, acrylic paint in white and brown, some bells that I had purchased for a different project but had left over. Also I have these larger bells that came from a different project, some sort of a paint tray, and these stencils that I had purchased at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and a paintbrush. And you want to have two different colored paintbrushes, two different paintbrushes for the different colors. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a coat of white paint. Oh, and you also need some rope and hot glue. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Then I'm going to mix my brown paint with a little bit of water, just to water it down. But now I got my eye. I'm going to take some of that paint off, and I'm just going to put it around the edges. I'm going to wet my rag a little bit. So I'm just adding a little bit of a little bit of white paint. Now I'm going to let this dry before I stencil it on. I just wanted it to give it a bit of an aged look. Also forgot to mention that I'm going to be using deep red as well, acrylic paint. So while that's drying, I am going to string up some of my bells. Only wish, and as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. And then I'm going to hot glue it to the back of the foam board. Now for the stenciling, I'm going to use the red paint for all of it, and I'm going to add my letters. So I'm going to have 2 rows of letters, and I kind of marked off the beginning where I wanted to begin, and also the bottom of the letters, so they're somewhat straight. I'm going to take a foam brush, but I'm not going to be heavy with the paint because I don't want it to leak. I will dab most of it. Of it to make sure that it doesn't transfer. And I'm going to use these stencils, and I'm going to do a Santa sleigh and reindeers. going to take this water-based paint in black Sharpie, and I'm just going to outline these letters. There, it's all done. I think it turned out so nice, and I'm going to show you how it looks with my decor. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button so you don't miss out any of the new videos that I post. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.